Want to transform your static HTML website into a dynamic, easily manageable WordPress powerhouse? First, gather all your website's files. This includes your HTML, CSS, JavaScript, image files, and any other assets that make up your website. Make sure everything is well organized into folders for easy access later. Now, let's examine your HTML structure. Identify the main sections of your website, like the header, content area, sidebar, and footer. Understanding this layout is crucial for building your WordPress theme correctly. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. If you don't have WordPress installed yet, you'll need to do that first. There are plenty of hosting providers that offer one-click WordPress installations. We'll assume you have a fresh installation ready to go. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes, and click on Add New to create a custom theme. We're going to build a theme based on your existing HTML. Create the essential theme files, Header.php, Footer.php, Sidebar.php, Index.php, Style.css, and any other template files you might need, like Single.php for blog posts or Page.php for static pages. Don't worry if you don't know PHP, we will transfer our HTML code into these files. Open your original HTML file. Copy the HTML code for the header section and paste it into your Header.php file, making sure to place it within the body tag. Add WordPress-specific functions like WP_head before the closing less than head tag and WP_body_open right after body greater than. These are important for WordPress to function correctly. Repeat this process for the footer. Copy the HTML code for your footer and paste it into single quotes Footer.php. Add the WP_footer function just before the closing less than body tag. This function is crucial for WordPress plugins and scripts to work properly. Similarly, copy your sidebar HTML code into the sidebar.php file. You might need to adapt it slightly to use WordPress widgets later on. Now for the core, the Index.php file. This is where the main content of your website will be displayed. Use PHP code to fetch content from the WordPress database, such as posts, pages, or custom content. Think about using the WordPress loop. For this example, we can start with the main loop, less than, PHP if have_posts, while have_posts, the underscore post, the underscore content, and while, else, greater than P. PHP_, no posts match your criteria, P, PHP and def, greater than. Copy all your CSS rules from your original CSS file into the Style.css file in your theme directory. Make sure the top of the Style.css file contains the required theme information, like theme name, author, and description. This lets WordPress recognize your theme. Activate your new theme from the Appearance Themes section in your WordPress dashboard. Your basic website structure should now be visible using your HTML and CSS. You'll likely need to fine-tune the theme and integrate it with WordPress functionalities like widgets, menus, and custom post types. This is where you add the WordPress magic. Congratulations! You've successfully converted your HTML website to WordPress. Now you can enjoy the flexibility and power of WordPress to manage and expand your website.